Hello guys, this is Joseph and I'm your Pinoy Galaan. Today, I received all the things that we ordered online from yesterday and from the other week. So, more hipo. We have from, I don't know where is this actually, but it's Aras Cargo who delivered it. And we have one more from Morhipo. Okay, let's open it. Okay, the first one is, we have here all the receipt and the information. If we don't like it, we can send it back. Okay, keep this one and let's see. This is for me. So this one, jumper, we bought, I think it was yesterday. It was yesterday and they delivered today. It's from People. The brand is People by Pabrika. So it's a Turkish brand. Very good brand. It's made of acrylic 50% and cotton. 50% acrylic, 50% cotton. And we bought this 39 Turkish lira. I will try later, but I think the color is just perfect for me. This is size L actually. I'm wearing size L, sometimes XL. So like this, we need to check the quality if there is something, because if there is something, I can send it back to them. So it's good. Nothing. So I'll keep it here. Put the trash. So we'll open this one from Aras Cargo. We have here also the information and the receipt. Let's open it. This is short for Inday. So this short is summer short. Inday is preparing for summer, so she decided to buy something for summer. Yeah, it's nice quality, though it's not expensive. This is 15 tele. It's good. Yeah, summer wear, summer short. And we have one more. Receipt again. Actually, we have here two kinds inside. Okay, this one is from T-Box. The brand is T-Box, Turkish brand again, made in Turkey, and it's pants. Yeah, for Inday, for this coming summer again. So it's good quality. She liked the color. It's mint green, very summer. Before it was 59 tele, we bought this one 15 tele. And jumper. Okay, the jumper, it's for Inday again. How much? Green. So it was for 50 tele. We pay 30 tele for this one. For cold nights, can wear, or for spring. This is nice for spring. The color is nice. So those are what we bought yesterday online. All of them is from yesterday. Before it was 85 tele. And this is my summer short. Yes, summer short. Yes, summer short. Swimming wear. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. Garterized. I like the color. I think this is not the color we... From Morhipo also. Morhipo. And this is also short for me. Okay, short and belt. Yeah. It has a free belt. Yeah. It was nice. It was perfect for me. And it's size 52. Yeah, I'm size 52. Yeah, it's perfect, size 52. It was 65 tele and we pay for this about 30 tele. 39 tele. It's from T-Box. So yes guys, T-Box original brand 2013. Nice. Belt also is nice. This is win-win shopping because only the belt, normally I buy this kind of belt, it's already about 20 tele, but together the pants and the belt I pay about 30 tele, so it's perfect. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. Thank you. Let's wait for another unboxing. See you. Bye bye. Hello everyone, again another unboxing for today, and this one is, most of them is for me. Okay. One package for more hippo. T-shirt, this is for me for summer. I bought it because it's cotton, fresh company, basic. Yeah, summer, so fresh company. Okay, nice. Yeah, summer. And then this is Bermuda from, this is from Jack and Jones. So Jack and Jones Bermuda, J&J. Yes, it's nice. Size is perfect. Yes. And yellow, summer. Okay, they are together. And one more fresh company also. Orange. Yeah. So this one is also L. So I have a yellow and I have orange. If I see another interesting color, I will buy. They are all for summer. And here is the receipt. We have here 5 pieces. And another slipper for kids. Of course, it's not for me, it's for kids. Yeah. Nice. This is for Inday. This is for Inday T-Box. It was nice and it was really good. Okay, we have here 5. Okay, I am really having fun, or we are really having fun buying online because we were able to find very cheap things and very quality things. Thank you for joining us. See you on my next unboxing. Bye bye. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and if you have really fun, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And if you think it's fun, it's nice unboxing, please do share my video to your community and friends. Thank you, bye bye, until the next unboxing.